Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Toy J, and you see by the title, today we're gonna be doing like a little makeover, reinventing myself for 2023. So I'm about to get my hair, I'm gonna go home, put on some press-ons, I'm gonna probably get my eyebrows done today. But all in all, today is like a reinventing. So make sure you follow me on social media at itstorrijayy with 2 Y's, and just stay tuned for all the content that's about to come out, because it's going to be a new year, but we are coming out with all the content. Okay, so make sure you like, comment, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Excuse my hair, but let's just get into the video. Okay guys, so this is my hair, completely blow dry. My hair has grew a lot since I cut it. I don't know if the video is still up from like my big chop. My forehead is so big, y'all. I don't know if my video is still up from like when I did a whole big chop or whatever, but yeah, so I had completely cut my hair like I think 2 years ago, and then like this is how much it has grew back. My hair grows back so fast because I don't do anything to it, but when I was doing my hair, I was like, oh my gosh, like my hair feels so like healthy. I have really bad split ends, but I was like, my hair feels so healthy. So all I'm gonna do is part it and braid it. I am doing the quick weave today, so I have all my materials for a quick weave, and that's what we're about to do today.
Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. You took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you balls, you can't even pay me enough to react. You waking up in the crib, but sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't play that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap, hey. Shawty come sit on my lap, hey. They saying busy to snap. This is between us, it's not like a store, this isn't a closable gap, hey. I see some niggas attack, and don't end up making it back. I know that they at the crib gone crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be?
So I forgot my other batteries at home, so y'all probably are not gonna see like the rest of it. But when I get home, this is not the end of the video. I'm still reinventing myself. I have to put my personal nails on. I might still get my eyebrows done today. So just make sure you just stay tuned for the rest. But my battery's just about to die, so I'm not trying to like exhaust it. Can you not put as a boy in the club? Cause we do not listen to rap. We in a letter, how about her wig? She telling me Tay is the best. Pointed the nigga who act like a killer. Eyebrows, as you can see, well, it was like a New Year maintenance, preparing for the new year. Got my hair done, got my eyebrows done. I'm gonna do my nails when I get in the house, and I might add some skincare in there. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. Yeah, so just keep it going. I'm not just a rapper, you feel me, you won't get stressed. Bring Drake to the hood, round Drake. Even though I got a cake, I'ma do what it take. And I've never been embraced, and the money's hard to make. So I bet they on their face right now. I know that they at the crib gone crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. When he tell the story, that's not how I went. No, they be lying 100%. Moved out the wrist and forgot about the bed. Now they just call me to tell me come get it. Now that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, they wouldn't regret it. That baby did it, and now they won't get it. Yeah. Party still beating, my niggas still eat it. That girl that look like the garden eat it. Little talk with him, spilling the tea. And the shorty came back and said she didn't mean it. It's hard to believe it. Yeah. I know that they at the crib gone crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now.